When Cyclone Nargis struck Myanmar in May 2008, nearly 2 million people were left in need of emergency assistance. Because of the widespread damage done to infrastructure, including phone and electricity lines, it took days to establish contact with Save the Children's office in Myanmar. It was only when communication was re-established that the full extent of the tragedy became apparent. Entire villages were destroyed. Nearly 140,000 people were dead or missing. Over half of them were children. An immediate appeal was sent out to all Save the Children Alliance members to support the response. An Alliance support team was established in Bangkok to raise money, source supplies, support the response and talk to media. 17 Alliance members have contributed much-needed funds amounting to almost $8 million, excluding governmental donations. Over $3 million of this money was contributed in the first week of the response. Alliance members also provided specialist technical support to different areas of work. Health and food distributions from Save the Children US, education from Save the Children Norway, child protection from Save the Children Sweden, and communication staff from a number of Alliance members. 15 staff from 6 Alliance members have been seconded into the Cyclone Nargis response program.
Yeah, I don't think anybody expected Save the Children's response to be as big. Right after the cyclone, we all thought that we were going to be able to respond only in the Western Delta and in and around Yangon, in areas where we had already been working before. But the scale of children's needs and the lack of other implementing agencies in many places has really created this need for Save the Children to expand, and it's incredible how Save the Children has risen to that challenge. And to date, Save the Children has reached 225,000 children and their families, over 500,000 people in total. And that works out to about more than a quarter of the children affected by the disaster. Save the Children globally tries to set itself a target of reaching between 10 and 20% of the children affected by disasters, and in this case we've far exceeded that.
6 months after Cyclone Nargis, Save the Children is working across 7 sectors. We've reached over 500,000 people with life-saving assistance, including at least 225,000 children. We're providing shelter repair toolkits and essential household supplies. We're providing primary healthcare services in mobile and static clinics. We're working to achieve food security and supporting families to start earning a living again. We're providing skilled support for breastfeeding mothers in order to prevent deaths and illnesses due to malnutrition in young children. We're providing better access to better quality water and also helping with the construction of sanitation facilities. We're supporting communities to re-establish education for children by repairing damaged schools, setting up temporary schools and providing school supplies to students. And we're running child-friendly spaces which will transform into temporary schools and local youth centres over time.
The Save the Children response to this cyclone in Myanmar really represents what we're hoping to accomplish whenever tragedies affect children around the world. 17 members responding with support, tens of millions of dollars of urgently needed assistance delivered at scale to children in the first couple of months of the operation. Save the Children, first among all the agencies in Myanmar in responding, just overall an extraordinary effort.